guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I thought I would go over priority mail and first class mail because I know a lot of people get really confused. My sister literally tried to ship a package and she had a mental breakdown, and yeah, I know it could be so confusing. Like when I first started out, it was very confusing to me. I had to watch 20 videos in order for me to get it. So hopefully this video helps you guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to comment any questions. If you guys have any questions about the packages, if you guys are in the United States, I can help you guys. Just let me know in the comment section, or if you guys want me to do a video on it, I can walk you step by step if I know. And also make sure to subscribe and share this video if anybody else is having trouble. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to watch the video all the way through so you guys don't miss anything. And I'm gonna explain it in the very simplest way possible, because again, I watched videos and I remember it was so complicated. I couldn't understand it. I just seen people tossing around packages and explaining it. So make sure to take notes if you guys need to take notes. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So the most important thing when you guys are shipping packages, you guys need to know the weight, and I cannot express that enough. You guys need to know the weight. So if I was to ship this, how much do you guys think it would weigh? This obviously weighs probably less than a pound. This does not weigh a pound, okay? Because how would we put it on our phone if it weighed a pound? So this weighs less than a pound, so 16 ounces, less than 16 ounces. So you would ship it with one of these, a poly mailer. You guys could ship it with any size poly mailer. If it was this small, if it was this small, you guys could ship it in there, throw it in there. That is first class mail. And let's just pretend it was this tiny. You guys could just throw it in a poly mailer that's around this small. So that is how you ship something that is USPS first class. So if the label says first class, you guys are gonna ship it in a poly mailer that doesn't say priority mail. It's as simple as that. USPS first class, you guys ship it in one of these. And it could be any poly mailer as long as it meets the standard. So as long as it closes all the way, it has to close all the way without it being messed up in transit. And it can't be I think more than a quarter. I'm not sure, but you guys could ask the post office, but that's based on my experience. So that is how you ship first class. And make sure to take notes again if you guys are confused, because I know it could get confusing. So that is it. And one more time, USPS, you could ship it in a poly mailer. It doesn't have to say priority mail. And you guys, this is how I learned it. And sorry guys for my lisp. So if you guys were shipping something that weighs a pound, let's see, I don't have anything around me that weighs a pound for this package, but if it says on the shipping label priority mail, you guys can use these boxes that say priority mail. And so this is a small flat rate box, so you guys could ship it right here as long as it fits in here in this little box or whatever you're shipping. Okay, so it's not that complicated. I promise it's not that complicated. People make it more than what it is. It's literally just boxes and poly mailers. So as long as it fits in here, and as long as the shipping label, usually it says on the shipping label how much it weighs. So if you guys had a shipping label, I'm gonna try to put a picture right here. So if it said priority mail and then it said 5 pounds, so you guys could ship up to 5 pounds right here with the shipping label. So let me go over it with the box. Again, take notes if you need notes. Replay this video, do whatever you want, but after this video you guys are gonna understand the difference between priority mail and first class. So this is priority mail. This is a priority mail box. This is what I got. These are free, by the way. The post office gives them for free. They deliver them for free. So this one is a large flat rate box. So pretend you were shipping this candle. This candle obviously weighs more than a pound, and you could throw it in here. You could throw it in this box. Obviously it's not a box right now, but you could make it into a box. You guys know how to make a box. So you guys would just throw it in here with bubble wrap, and it's gonna look something like around like this. And then you guys would just put the shipping label right here. It even has like a place for the shipping label. So it says from and to. So you would just put the shipping label right here. So again guys, like, I'm gonna go over it again because I know it's so complicated. So priority mail, usually the shipping labels say priority mail. So I don't even think, usually it's all the time. So priority mail shipping labels go on priority mail boxes, and USPS, they go on items that are less than a pound. Items that are less than a pound, the shipping label is gonna say 16 ounces or less. It's gonna say like 4 ounces, and it's gonna be USPS first class, and then you're gonna put the label right here. And one thing that you guys never want to do is put a USPS label on a priority mailbox. That is something that you do not do. These priority mailboxes are made specifically for things that are more than a pound. So that's why I express it so much that under 1 pound is USPS first class, and anything more than 1 pound it's always going to be priority mail, as long as it says priority mail. So that is how the USPS, the United States Postal Service, has it. They have it like that. So priority mail, again, the shipping labels are going to say priority mail, and on the label, if you guys ever get confused on the weight, so it's always going to say the shipping weight. And sorry guys, my camera went blurry. I was like, is it my eyesight or is it the camera? So yeah, I don't know how else I would explain it, but that is the most simplest way for me that I could understand it. So USPS, under 1 pound, 16 ounces, 4 ounces, 10 ounces, that is first class. And then priority mail, you could use the white boxes. And okay, so another thing that I'm going to go over with you guys, it could be so confusing, but I'm going to explain it to you guys in the most simplest term. So with priority mail, you guys could ship it in one of these poly mailers. So you guys could ship something that's a pound I mean like 2 pounds. You could ship 1 pound and 2 pounds in this poly mailer. So if it says priority mail, you guys could also use these. The free boxes are optional. You guys could always use the free boxes. I choose to use the free boxes because oh my god, I'm on a breath, sorry guys. So every time you buy a box, like at Walmart, it's like $1, $2, $3, depending on the box. So I choose to use the priority mail boxes because it's so much easier. Like I could just have the boxes here. I don't need to go to Walmart, like, because I live like 30 minutes from Walmart, so I don't have to go to Walmart. I could just get these white boxes delivered. And you could choose whatever size you want, and it's so convenient. And then I just drop them off. Like if I get an order, I could just drop them off at the post office, and it's literally so easy. I don't know why, like, if you guys are barely starting, like, you guys could just get these boxes for free. Like, I don't know how I was spending $1, $2, $3, $5 on a box. Like, that was such a waste of money. Like, I could have used that for like a McChicken or something, or I could have bought like an apple with a dollar or something like that. Like, I look back on it. But if there's something that you guys could learn from me, is that use the free boxes. Like, why not? It's free. It's free. It's for you guys. And yeah, it's so easy to order online. And yeah, so again guys, I think I should say it one more time, because sometimes people don't get it the first time, like it doesn't go in your brain. So I think this video will be helpful for you guys if I say it multiple times. Like, I think like repetition is like easier to remember. So again, USPS first class, 16 ounces or less. So if you guys were shipping one of these, you guys could ship it with USPS first class. If you guys were shipping a hair clip, it's gonna be first class. If you guys were shipping like these headphones weigh like less than a pound, so it's going to be first class. And if it says first class on the shipping label, you ship it first class. Do you ship first class shipping label with a priority mailbox? No. So if it says USPS priority mail, you ship with a priority mailbox. But if it says USPS first class, then you don't use the priority mailbox, because you're gonna, you know, that's gonna be confusing and you can't do that. So with the priority mail goes with priority mail. So priority mail goes with priority mailboxes, but you guys can also use the poly mailers, as long as it fits in there and everything's good and it arrives safely. It will arrive safely. So another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is, I actually did the mistake when I was fairly like new. So what I did is I got an OfferUp order. If you guys don't know, you guys could ship through OfferUp, but they're scamming too, so I don't recommend shipping right now with OfferUp, because they're doing the same thing that eBay is doing. They're depositing the funds to their own bank account. So, you know, don't ship on OfferUp or eBay. Don't use those two. If you guys are gonna use OfferUp, make sure that you guys meet in person. It's not shipping, because right now they're scamming. But a long time ago, when I started shipping on OfferUp too, I shipped an item. I forgot what it was, but I used the priority mailbox, and I think I used like, I think it was supposed to be like USPS first class, so the item ended up weighing more. So like, I used USPS first class and I put it on a priority mail box, and I got charged, I think it was like $9 that I had to pay out of pocket. And she told me like, oh, like you did like a very big like thing, like this was a huge mistake, like you're never supposed to do that. So that's why I tell you guys to not do that, because damn, like I had to pay the $9 like when I got to the post office. And so I only ended up making around like probably like $10 or something like that, because I had to pay the $9 for the priority mailbox rate, because these boxes are a different rate. Like, if you guys didn't know that, these boxes, like, they're confusing. So the only time that I ship stuff is if the label says priority mail with the priority mailboxes. Again, I'm gonna keep saying it. But other than that, like, most of the time I don't ship with the priority mailboxes, like if I'm shipping like with my own shipping label, because it's still like confusing to me, and I've been doing this for like 3 years. So if you guys know about that, like how to ship with your own shipping label with the priority mail, like let me know in the comment section. Like, that would be helpful to me. But the rates kind of still confusing me, but I just stick with the shipping labels. So I would never walk into the post office and say, oh, I want to ship priority mail, can you give me the rate? I just feel like it's too much sometimes at the post office. Like, sometimes they it's like a lot of money. Sometimes if you go to the post office, it's better to print out your own shipping labels. But yeah, you always want to make sure, if you guys do print out your own shipping labels, just make sure that it's the correct box. So if you guys are shipping and making your shipping label, like this one's a small box and the other one was a large one, so you guys want to just choose the correct box that you guys are shipping, or else they're gonna tell you that you have to pay a rate because you're not putting the correct box. So that is it for this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section, or if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, if you guys want to check out my other videos, go check them out, go leave them a like, go interact with them. And if you guys want to follow me on social media, my social media is gonna be down below. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it's helpful, and if you guys find it helpful, like, let me know in the comment section. Like, I love helping you guys. It feels good to wake up to those comments like, oh, I shipped the box, I made an order, stuff like that. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Bye guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.